Are you looking for the very best treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the very best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NordicTrack Commercial 1750 Treadmill and 30-day iFit membership. The NordicTrack Commercial 1750 was the top choice in our roundup of the best treadmills to use at home, according to personal trainers. Given NordicTrack's history as a reliable brand and designer of treadmills, it makes sense that the 1750 comes recommended to us by fitness experts like David Roche, coach and founder of the Swap running team and co-author of The Happy Runner. New York-based personal trainer Miriam Fried says it's a solid all-around option that fits her criteria. You'll want something that ideally goes above 10 miles per hour and a 10% incline, especially if you have more specific fitness goals in mind, she says. Aver Fagan, a personal trainer and functional strength coach, also recommends the 1750, highlighting its built-in workouts and interactive classes. It comes with a free 30-day iFit membership. The 1750 is all that most people need for walking or running sessions at home. The newest version of the 1750, the 2022, has a larger 14-inch touchscreen compared to the 10-inch version on older models. The screen also swivels, which could come in handy if you're following an iFit class from your yoga mat. Number 2. NordicTrack T 6.5 Si Treadmill. At under $700, the T 6.5 Si is one of NordicTrack's most affordable treadmills. Compared to the commercial 1750, the T 6.5 Si has a smaller footprint, a lower maximum belt speed, and a smaller screen. But it also comes with a free 1-month iFit subscription. If you plan to have lighter workouts that won't require a speed beyond 10 miles per hour, the T 6.5 Si is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Assault Fitness AssaultRunner Pro. Motorized belt, and that could bode well for your electricity bill. Ben Unger, a personal trainer and nutrition coach based in New York, recommended this treadmill with a slightly curved belt to strategist writers Hillary Reid and Karen Iorio-Adelson for at-home use. Unger explained that because the runner powers the treadmill, and not an electric belt, way more calories are burned than on an electric treadmill in the same amount of time. There's no maximum speed, so this is a good option for those looking to practice sprints or tempo workouts. Your first time running on a manual treadmill might feel a bit different than on a treadmill with an electric belt, because on a model like the AssaultRunner, you control the pace, not the belt. It took me a few sessions on the AssaultRunner to get used to slowing down the belt by slowing down my stride, rather than pressing a button to turn off the treadmill or stop the workout. Number 4. Walking Pad R2 Foldable Treadmill. The walking pad comes recommended by strategist contributor Brittany Brown, who rounded up the best underdesk treadmills. Its folding capability and relatively slim size makes it an effective walking treadmill, great for casual exercises and pairing with standing desks. I could pretty much do any work task imaginable on this, Brown writes. Because the belt speed is slower compared to other models on this list, and because the frame is less substantial, this isn't a treadmill designed for running. Brown also notes one trade-off with the folding construction: you can feel the line in the belt where it folds. It didn't exactly bother me while walking on it, in shoes or barefoot, but those used to working out on treadmills may find it distracting.